credential will take you back.
Observers on the red dot behind you.
Just like that. Yeah, it's going to go all the way forward. Thank you. Right, sensible. Thank you.
And observers on the red dot behind you.
Right, sounds everyone welcome. How are all of my journeys? No problems I have. Long. Well, we appreciate you being here. No difficulties with any stormtroopers, I hope. No, they put a real damper on business, so we appreciate all of your discretion. But it seems like we've all arrived safely. So now that we're all finally here, I can say, welcome to the workshop. I know it's a little, well, it's a lot, but to us, it is everything. These are my fellow gatherers, and you may call me Kembe. I know what you're all thinking, this all looks like a lot of old junk. Well, let me assure you of something. Some of it is new junk as well. Well, we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. And it is our purpose to travel the galaxy in search of ancient relics. We look in forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find there, we bring here to our workshop. So, where a stormtrooper might look around and see worthless clutter, but to those who know, they see priceless history. And in these times, preserving our past may just help ensure our future. I'm assuming that we're all familiar with the legend of Luke Skywalker. Yes, yes, thank goodness. Someone is. Well, we hear there is another, a new Jedi. Does everyone know her name? Rey, that's right. And what she has started is the spark of hope that we've all been waiting for. And that's why you're all here. To look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them both. Today we'll all feel that connection. But enough talk. Let's begin. And we begin with perhaps the most important part of a lightsaber. Any ideas? Yeah, you're exactly right. The kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. And you may all know this from some of the greatest Jedi stories throughout history. The blue crystal, for example, like that of Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and so we hear red, green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and of course, Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red, by many, it is called the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. We're here for you, our future. It is now time for you to select your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Everyone, close your eyes. Picture it. Hold it in your mind. Which color calls to you? Which color do you see in your mind? Which color is yours? Open your eyes, everyone, and select your crystal.
This one. Yeah, purple. Yeah.
I love it. That's what I wanted to get.
Very good, builders. We all have our crystals, and if you haven't already, go ahead and place those crystals onto the green crystal holders that you see in front of you. My fellow gatherers are coming around to prepare your boxes, the boxes with the saber designs you've previously chosen. We'll then be pairing those designs with with your crystals to create the hilt. Builders, the hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. It's your center of control, and it's also part of your hands from being disintegrated. So, really. In the boxes on the left there, you have your chassis. The next pieces you'll be using are on the right. That's the activation plate. And that will be followed by the grips, emitter, and finally pommel cap. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you chose your kyber crystals, you will now choose the individual elements that will make up your saber. The gatherers are all here to assist you. So let's build.
My name is Kevin. I'll be here to assist you with your build chassis. First, we're going to take over the chassis and take the crystal, place it into the center chamber of the chassis. You're going to assist it to narrow it to the top, push up, and guide it.
There is a small portion in it. And go straight up into that chamber. On your side, we get it down. You can just run the chamber. No control panel. The control should be eliminated in the scene. Like I said, this is
Either too powerful to build the chassis or it's turning the Next, my friends, you can select one side of the chassis. Okay? On the inside of your activation plates, you'll find a red and a blue symbol, which will line up to one set. So these two stay together, or these two stay together.
Excellent. Very strong.
Okay. Match the red and blue symbols on the inside of the activation plate to the red and blue symbols on the chassis. Next, my friend, you can select two of any four bricks. Right? Two of any four bricks. Perfect. Okay. Now, go ahead and select two of any four bricks. It does not matter which side they go on. Make sure the wide rings go towards the middle.
any two of the four of those grips.
These wide rings here, they'll touch the center and they'll apply pressure and twist.
Always goes for the center.
In the middle?
So, the wide rings go towards the center. See how the wide rings go?
That goes for the center.
Move that around. Apply pressure and twist.
Then you go ahead and water each side.
My friend, that is going to be that is an emitter, so that goes on the top half.
Oh, okay.
This is top cap, but before you get there, select another brick on the side.
Good time to take it.
Trust your instincts, my friend. Flip it around. Flip the space around. Apply pressure. Now go ahead and select the emitter, which will go on the top cap there, and the column cap on the bottom.
What you want to for a emitter? Emitter is number 3.
Yes. Very nice. Now go ahead and select one of the two emitters for the top, and one of the two column caps for the bottom. Once you're all set, place it on a stand in front of you.
So the emitter there is number 3, which is the one
Excellent work in the corner then, that's done. Go with protection and defense. Why did you choose protection and defense?
Very powerful.
You don't know? Excellent answer. It means you trusted your instincts, and that's important. So I like that. What color
Well
is
done, my friend.
Blue. Very good. Yeah, I like that. Those pieces are taken from the old destroyed Jedi temple. So, And exactly right. That's what this design stands for. Excellence. It's 6 of them. What colour is it? Green. Green and electrical. They go together perfectly. And then my young friend there with the protection of the fence. Young one, you just need your Padawan brain. With the spitting image of young Anakin Skywalker right there. With those gloves. What colour crystal do you have? Where was you? Red. Yes, they're very nice. I like that you have, as we said, that old, the design from the old Jedi temples, but with the traditional Sith crystal. Hopefully you can find some balance between the two there. But excellent design also. And then a couple of our traditional Sith designs there. Is that why you went with it? Is that why you chose it? Because of the correlation with the Sith?
And just the balance between the blue crystal.
Yeah, what crystal do you have?
Blue.
Blue, very good, yeah. You kind of got that Anakin Skywalker Darth Vader thing going on. How about yourself? Purple. And the very nice, yeah, the crystal balance itself. So very important. And you know what? Fine work all round, builders. Excellent work. Go ahead and place a hand over your hilt and feel that connection. Builders, you've all completed your hilts, and nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened. I now ask, though, you leave those hilts where they are, and everyone, step back. Step back is the most dangerous part of the build. Those powerful Kyber crystals can be volatile if not handled correctly, so we need to take every precaution to ensure that this stage goes smoothly. Now, we've had mistakes in the past during this stage. In fact, you can count the number of mistakes by the number of holes in the ceiling. We'd really like to avoid adding to those if we can. In fact, particularly volatile is that red crystal. So my friend up here, all eyes on you, I'm afraid. But it seems like we've got off without a hit, so we can continue on to the next. Wait, what's happening?
Many parts silver now joined they are. Yes, Lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take our first step. The final stage is upon us. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. Builders, on my signal, you will come forward. Place a hand on the hilt of your saber, and together we will activate. Builders, are we all ready?
Yes.
They come forward. Hand on your hilt, and activate.
Oh my god, that is sick.
Good, now go ahead, builders. And raise your lightsabers. Builders, you hold your lightsabers. Just like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate and lower your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like your way it can, but lead you it cannot. Your journey you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So to protect your sabers, we're pleased to present you with a saber sheath. In just a moment, I will dismiss you all individually, and you can collect your sheath as you leave the workshop. Unfortunately, our time together is at an end, but your journeys are just beginning. Time to make your mark on the galaxy. You are all as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsabers you have built today. Builders, raise your sabers and activate. Thank you all so much, my friend. You're going to lead us out. Congratulations. Step forward and collect your sheet.
Woo!
And like that, my friend.